Hey guys, this is Jono.
And this is Jason.
And we're from Simple Cookery. And today we're going to be showing you how to make a chimichurri sauce on steak. So chimichurri sauce is an Argentinian steak sauce made primarily with fresh parsley. And so I'm going to teach you how to make the chimichurri sauce today.
And I'm going to make the steak on a barbecue.
So let's get into it. First step is to grab a handful of flat leaf parsley. For chimichurri you can also use coriander or a mixture of coriander and parsley. This is what gives the chimichurri that fresh kick and is also going to form the body of the sauce. So finally dice the parsley and add that into a pestle and mortar. If you don't have a pestle and mortar, you can also use a food processor or a blender as well. Next step is to finally dice a clove of garlic and add that into your pestle and mortar along with half a teaspoon of dried chili flakes. And now you just want to grind it all up until everything is nice and fine. Great. Next step is to add a couple tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You just want to grind that again until you get a nice saucy consistency. At this stage you want to add in half a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. The vinegar adds a little bit of acidity which really helps to cut through the chimichurri sauce. Then we move on to our seasoning. So it's pretty simple. You just add in salt and pepper to taste. That tastes really good. You can really taste that kick of the chili. And now we're just going to wait for Jason to grill up some steaks on the barbecue and we're going to serve this chimichurri sauce on top.
Hi guys, Jason here, and what we have in front of us is my two favorite part of steak, Scotch Fillet. So what we're going to do first is to season the steak with some salt and some pepper on both sides, and then we're going to put in some olive oil so that it doesn't stick to the barbecue when we put on the barbie. Now in the meantime, you want your barbecue preheated nicely to the highest heat possible, so when that steak hits the barbecue it goes sizzling. Now depending on how thick your steak is or how well done you would like it to be, personally I like medium rare. My mom calls me a monster, but you know, that's how I like it. Now for the steak I'm thinking around 2 to 3 minutes aside. Look at that fire, that's going to give that steak a nice brown crust. So now the steak is done, so make sure to rest it for a couple of minutes so that the juices are sealed in. Okay, once it's rested, get ready to cut it open. This is my favorite part. Ooh, look at that redness, that's how I like it. And now, let's put on the star of the show. We're gonna lay our chimichurri sauce on top of it, but if you prefer, you can just put it on the side. And there we have it, chimichurri sauce.
Steak time. Alright, let's give it a go.
Wait, how'd you feel about our steak today?
It's good.
It's good?
Alright. Get some of that steak.
I'm pretty excited because I'm pretty hungry today.
Get some of that chimichurri.
Oh. That's awkward.
Like it?
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. The chimichurri sauce adds a really nice fresh punch to the steak.
Yeah, it does.
You know, kick of the vinegar to balance out that sauce.
Dude, it's good, man.
Really good, man.
No, it's actually good.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it for the camera.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. We're out, I mean. Bye-bye.